Spigot. Crash course on insects.
Insects and their relatives, spiders and millipedes and centipedes, they are arthropods, and that's a large group of animals that have an exoskeleton or a skeleton on the outside of their body. But insects are only six-legged arthropods, so any arthropod that has 6 legs is an insect. A person who studies an insect is called an entomologist. Insects eat almost anything you can see in nature, whether it be the clothes you're wearing or the house you're living in. There's termites that feed on wood. There's mosquitoes that feed on our blood. Those are parasites. Some even eat dirt. Most people are aware of insects communicating using sounds such as grasshoppers and crickets. There's other way insects communicate. It's the lightning bug, which uses a series of flashes to communicate. Ants and bees, they'll use pheromones, which are an odor they give off. One moth, their pheromone is so strong that they can communicate as far as 5 miles away. There's a lot of beneficial insects out there as well. The ladybug can eat aphids, and aphids are often found on potatoes and other crops in our garden. The dragonfly, they eat flies and mosquitoes in midair. Praying mantis that can eat almost any kind of bug you find in your garden. All insects are born with a suit of armor called an exoskeleton. Most insects that use camouflage try to blend in with their surroundings. Katie did. Their wings sometimes look like a leaf. Some insects that use scare tactics. The owl butterfly has eye spots so they look like an owl. The Io moth caterpillar can actually have stinging hairs. And if you were to touch an Io moth caterpillar, you would get a nasty sting. Meta means change and morphosis means form. So taken together, it means change in form. Insects that go through simple metamorphosis have 3 stages they go through: the egg, the nymph, and the adult. Insects that go through complex metamorphosis have 4 stages: the egg, the larva, the pupa, and the adult.
Insects!
Yeah.